When life shuts a door, open it. That's how they work. It is always darkest. It gets absolutely black. And then it gets light again and dark, and light and dark. Remember, people are only human, and some are even worse. If you find a toilet in your dream, don't use it. Really, don't. Remember, you can reach the height of stupidity without leaving your chair. You just have to try. Stop thinking about what other people think of you. I mean, have you seen other people? I never argue, and neither should you. Just explain to the other person why they're wrong. People just love that. Never dress in the dark. Never. They say all you need is love. It's a lie. Remember, if at first you don't succeed, skydiving isn't for you. Why pray when you can worry? Life is like a Lamborghini. It takes you places and it's expensive as hell.